Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can set an alarm on your Bose sound system. We're just going to be setting it on the buzzer, but if you wanted to, you could do it on a CD or a radio. Now, all we have to do is turn it on, and then we're going to hit this alarm setup button just here. There's two alarms, 1 and 2. For example, you might have one set for 6 AM, you might have another set for 9 AM. In this video, we're just going to be setting the one alarm. So hit alarm setup, and it says here this is number 1 and the buzzer is at the moment 30. So basically the buzzer can go from 10 all the way up to 99. It's up to you what volume you set it at. By default it's 30 and it's quite a nice level. Because I've been chatting for so long now, it's gone off. So let's do that again. Alarm setup, and we're going to be changing the time by going up and down on these buttons here, the thumbs up and thumbs down. So you can change it there. If you want to jump a lot, just hold down one of them and it will start going quicker and quicker and quicker. So we're going to set it to 10:30. So I'm going back the other way. 10:30. And if you wanted to go to radio, this is your time now where you would hit radio and you can change it to whatever radio station you want. We're going to keep it on buzzer, so I'm going to go to where it says sleep. And that's it. Right, so that's now set to 10:30. So let's go to alarm setup. It will then go to alarm 2, which we're not going to set, so alarm setup again. And that's it. We are now ready to go off at 10:30, which is in 1 minute's time. This is AM. When it goes off, I'm just going to show you the buzzer. Now, you can snooze it. If you press snooze, by default, it snoozes for 10 minutes. If you want to just cancel the alarm till the next day, press and hold the top for 2 seconds, or you can press stop alarm here, which is the power button on the remote control. That will also stop your alarm. And when it goes off, it will ramp the sound up from low up to the level you've set it at, which by default is 30. There we go. So it will get louder and louder until it reaches the desired level, which we set to 30. Okay, so you can hear that now. If I hit the top, it will snooze it. So now it will snooze it for 10 minutes. If I want to turn it off completely until the next day, I can hit the power button here or tap it for 2 seconds at the top. There we go. So you can now see it's gone off again, and it's due to go off again tomorrow at 10:30. If, for example, it's the weekend and you don't want it to go off, all you have to do is hit alarm 1, and can you see now there's no alarm set. When it comes to Sunday night and you want it to go off Monday morning or whatever the next morning is, just hit alarm 1 again and you can see it will come back on here. So you can't pre-program it to be different at the weekends or anything like that. It's always just the next day. So that's it. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.